Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm over here by the wagon and I'm going to start on landscaping. Let me flip this around and show you. This is an old covered wagon that I bought last year and I took the canopy part off. So what I got so far is a little grouping of stuff here. And then I do have a couple plants and I have mulch because this does branch off of the Russian sage hedge. So right here I have a dianthus. Over here I have a black-eyed Susan. This is actually a start off of a plant that I have in another area. And then I have a Calamagratis Carl Forrester grass. So far there's nothing here. So I want to do kind of some groupings. I mean, this is nestled in the woods, but I want it to look like it's been overgrown by other plants. So let me show you my plant stash and show you what I have and give you an idea of what I may or may not use. So this is the plant stash. There's a lot here. There are some wildberry heucheras. I have some blue lupins. Look at these flowers. I'm definitely using these over there. I have some white happy star coneflowers. This is a little quickfire hydrangea. It turns white and pink and does all kinds of stuff. More coneflowers. These are pretty. These are called stormcloud amsonias. Look at that. They kind of make like a shrub form. Excuse my hands, I've been painting too. And then, I guess, sombrero sangria is the coneflower of the year because I'm still not finding salsa red. Again, this is what's making me a little bit scared. They have some orange tints to them. And then I have some salvia, which I may or may not use. But for right now, I'm definitely using the hydrangea. I'm definitely using at least one of these lupins. And we'll take a couple coneflowers. I do want some red over there, so we're taking one of these too. Alright, so that's a good start. Let me lay it out and see what else from this pile I'm going to take. I'm saving these for projects so they will not be used. Okay, so here's my layout so far. So let me give you a quick tour before I get planting and let me tell you a little bit about these plants. So this is the little quickfire hydrangea. It gets 3 to 5 foot tall. It is a zone, I believe, 4 through 8. So I placed it back there. These are happy star coneflowers. They're white. I think they'll look really good up against the woods. Let's see here. They grow 36 to 42 inches tall, so that'll be nice because the hydrangea will be a little bit taller than this. They are hardy down to a zone 3. I have the sombrero sangria coneflowers, which I'm not thrilled about. They are a little bit shorter. They get 18 to 22 inches high, and they're hardy down to -30. I put the 2 lupins here because they're kind of the shorter guys of the bunch. They only get 8 to 12 inches tall, so I figured that would be a good plant to put under the wagon. Cold hardiness down to zone 4. The flowers are beautiful. I am excited to see these, and honestly, if I dig down in here, look, you can see a flower forming in there, so can't wait to see those. Then I just have a couple more happy star coneflowers now. This grass gets 4 to 6 foot tall, so it will have no problem towering over these 2 guys. And then I have a salvia here. It's 12 to 15 inches tall, and it is hardy down to -20. So I just tucked that there because I didn't want like a giant plant at the end there, but it kind of looked bare if I would have stopped. So now I'm gonna go grab my biotone. I'm going to get a shovel and I'm going to get to planting these. Okay guys, let me give you a little look of how it all looks finished. So again, there is the little quickfire hydrangea, the happy star coneflower, sombrero sangria coneflower, dianthus, 2 blue lupins, a black-eyed Susan, which needs water. Actually, all these do. And the 2 happy star coneflowers, and the blue salvia and calamagratis Carl Forster grass. So, I love how this space looks. It doesn't look like much right now, but once it all fills in, I think it'll be beautiful. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.